a lot of times when you're just coming out of school, you get offered the opportunity to do home visits, and some people shy away from it. But I honestly would say, I think you should go for it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jemecia Capri, the Nurse Practitioner Extraordinary. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I should not be recording because I'm driving. But anyway, today I'm going to talk about the reasons why I absolutely love home visits and treating people in their homes. So first I'm going to talk about personally why I like it, and then I'm going to talk about medically why I like it and why I think it's best for the patient. So anyway, if you're interested in that, stay tuned. So hey guys, the gentleman that I'm going to see this morning, he is pretty much a COPDer. He can't really walk that far. He's got tons of tubing because he needs his oxygen, and he really cannot travel long distances and be comfortable. So that's one of the reasons why I am seeing him in his home today. So I figure I will take you guys along with me and talk about the reasons why I really like home visits, and the fact that you really can do, you know, medicine anywhere. And this is one of the things that I love to do. It kind of breaks up the monotony of being in the clinic all the time, because you guys do know that I do that as well. But it does break up the monotony, and I really do like doing it. And there are some benefits of that, and I'll discuss that in this video. So hang in here with me, and yeah. Hit that like button if you like the video, and subscribe to my channel so you can hang out with me and be extraordinary people. All right, guys, let's go. Hey guys, welcome back. I am discussing home visits today and why I think they're great, and you should too. So first, personally, why I think, you know, home visits are good for the clinician, for me, is that it gives you the opportunity to be very autonomous, and it gives you more access to the actual person. Like, let me see, hold on, let me get it better. Okay, so for instance, when I say access to the person, when they come into the clinic, you're seeing exactly how they present, what they present to you. Whereas when they come into, when you go into their home or their environment, you really do get a greater sense of what's really going on with the person. So for you as the clinician, you're pretty much very much more autonomous. You get to see more of the picture of what's really going on with the patient, and you really can help them beyond medicine. You can help them with their home environment. You can help them with their mobility. You can help them with so many more things. And even with their socioeconomic balance, meaning you can provide more community tools for them. And you really are helping the whole person in the whole situation. So I feel like that's a lot more fulfilling. There's also reasons why I don't care for it, but I'll talk about that in another video. And so I feel like it's really rewarding to be able to do more for the patient, pretty much, is what I'm trying to say. And so that's more on the clinician side. It's very autonomous. You have really a lot of time to process what has transpired during your visit with the patient. You have more time to be with the patient. You spend a lot more time with the patient because it's really your schedule, and you really do have the opportunity to tailor it the way you want to tailor it. So that's really good. Now, as far as the patient, you know, the thing for the patient, I guess kind of the same benefits that you as a clinician have. And guys, I'm just trying to get a better lighting because I'm driving, and I probably shouldn't be doing this, risking my life for you. Anyway, So for the patient, several reasons. Often patients are homebound. They cannot get out. They have no ability to get out. Financially, they may not have transportation. Medically, they may not be able to move. They may not be able to have access to care.
At the next light, turn left.
Sorry about that. That's my directions. So, and you're going to hear it again. So, and I'm probably not going to edit it out because who has time for that?
At the light, turn left onto Harvey Point Road.
Anyway, so, yeah, I'm almost there. Okay. So, yeah, as far as that's concerned, patients don't have, like I said, the ability to get out, mobility, and things like that. Also, the fact that you're coming into their environment, again, it gives them access to you, gives them access to your team. In my case, we have a whole team that comes in, and I see veterans in this setting. And as you guys know, I also have another position where I'm sitting in a clinic and patients are coming to me, and I see patients in that setting as well. So, but for this particular video, I'm talking about when you go into the home and the reason why it's so great. So the team that works with me is a pharmacist, a social worker, a nurse, myself as the provider, another medical team provider, a dietitian, and a occupational therapist. So that makes it great. So they have all of that comes to them. They don't have to leave, and they get all that care in their home. And oftentimes, honestly, guys, they can't leave. So it makes it very, very easy for them to have access to care. And so it really is an awesome thing that you're doing if you're doing home visits. And really, home visits are changing. It used to be the thing of the past, and now it's becoming the thing of the future. And people don't even want to go into the clinic. And so it makes it awesome for them. And yeah, so those are some of the reasons why I really love doing home visits.
In 4.7 miles, the that
I may have to take out. So anyway, yeah, so like I said, it makes it excellent for the patient, makes it excellent for you. You have a lot of autonomy. You have the ability to bond greater with the patient, their family. Sometimes you might not want to, but you have the opportunity. And it really does give you a clearer picture of who you're dealing with. Because of course someone can come to you, they can dress everything up. You don't know anything about them or their home environment, only what they tell you. But when you're actually there, you can see what's going on in the home. So I think that gives you a much more of an opportunity to do what you need to do as far as taking care of the patient and helping the patient. So anyway, that's pretty much it, guys. I am almost to my destination, as you know. And I just wanted to pop in and talk to you about why I love doing home visits. Anyway, guys, yeah. Oh, another thing too, as far as home visits, a lot of times when you're just coming out of school, you get offered the opportunity to do home visits, and some people shy away from it. But I honestly would say I think you should go for it, because one, it gives you the opportunity to learn at a slower pace, and to get your skills up. Really, there's a lot of chronic illness out here, and it gives you that opportunity to learn at your own pace, like I said, which is repeating anyway. So yeah, that's really it, guys. Thank you for sticking in there with me, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys.